What's up, guys? Welcome back to Patreon request from Rana and Ravi. So this is Kyren Lacy, footballer, RIP as far as I know. Let's try and draw this, catching a ball from behind. So we'll try fit everything in. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm gonna start with the base of the helmet just to get everything orientated. So like here, curving. At the bottom of it. Always tricky doing football helmets. They're not easy things. So his shoulder sort of cuts this off. So like bumps around here, right? So that's like his shoulder pad. And then we go up. And then I think we can see a little bit of the visor at the front. I'm not sure. It's kind of like a little bump there. And then we go around for the main part of his helmet. So it like cuts across here. And down the back. Okay. Right, and then there's like some details just around this. So we have the back end like that. And then there's like, so it looks like it's like cut in half somewhere. Like there. And then there's these detail lines that come down. It's like boxes or something. There's like an SU here, but it's in purple, so you could do it like in purple if you wanted. I know it's LSU, didn't you? I think you said that that's who he played for. There's like details there, but I can't make them out. Right, so we can just see like the open part of his shirt sort of in here, and it's just dark shadow in there, so I'll color that black. So his other shoulder pad, just there wide, right? And this one's up because his arm is up because he's catching the ball. Okay, and like this kind of comes around that way. And then we have some purple and yellow lines here and here. There's probably yellow on his helmet as well, but it's kind of in the middle. So he has like ventilation or something here, so you can see like his muscles, and then there's a purple thing around here. So you can see like his lats and stuff. And then his body just bumps this way. Ooh. Right, we've number 2, Lacy. So we go Lacy. Now this is purple. If you wanted to do it in purple, obviously you could. I'll just do it in black because I'm using a black pen. And then the 2, I can color this one purple because it's thick enough. So we'll go around here first. And it's alright if it's wavy because his shirt is like wavy. Okay, shorts, very tight to his skin. So you're basically drawing like leg shapes, basically. So, like say his thigh up under here. And then the other leg just going that way. There's some folding stuff just as it folds around his knees. Maybe around like his glute and all that. And there's some lines that come down his leg here. Purple. And maybe a little bit here. Okay, now one leg outstretched, the other one bent up. So, like his knee sort of here. And then the boot is there. See, like his calf muscle. And he's got a strapped ankle. And the strapping extends down to his boot. So I think we're going to do this. Keep this rudimentary now. We won't overly complicate this. So kind of that sort of shape. It reminds me of a peanut or like a bowling pin or something. Boots like this always. And then, like they're strapping on his boot there. And then you can just see maybe an edge line just around the edge. And then put as many studs, like the blades, sort of as you'd like, you know. There's kind of rectangular ones down here. You don't have to do them all. But of course you can if you'd like. If you're like a stickler for the boots, or cleats I think they're called, over in your part of the world. And so this way, down for his thigh, and you can just see kind of like the back of his knee and his calf here. Slender enough calves. And then white strapping, and then his purple heel. And then that sort of boot shape again. And the back of his sort of shoe with sort of blades and some studs. Just circles, line down the middle. And of course, there's always, if it's an action shot, you know, like grass or astroturf, just coming up off the boot as well, just to show he's kind of moving, you know. So we try those hands now, and the ball. So one purple arm, so it's like strapped heavily, so one of those arm things that they wear. So going this way, right? Get an elbow. And his forearm, long, thin. Just going that way. And then we meet his wrist right here, and it has like details around the glove, the base of the glove there, just like different colors and stuff. And then the glove and the ball. We'll get the other arm. I'll do the other arm first. He doesn't have like strapping on this one. So we get his bicep in here, right? And there's like veins and everything on his bicep. And he has a strap on that. So his tricep here. And then a white sort of strap coming around the forearm then. So his forearm goes up and we meet the other wrist, gloved wrist. His thumb comes in there somewhere. Okay, so let's try the hands now. Zoom in a bit. So the ball right up top, fit in as much as we can. So we'll get this is like, it's like a typical sort of hand out, and the glove makes it all look very sort of straight, right? So just kind of fingers like this, kind of like sausages, kind of. Just like little sort of lines coming down the edge. Okay, so that's kind of what his glove and his fingers look like. Okay, kinda. Right, and then like his other thumb comes out around the ball there. Joins the hand kind of, and then the ball is in here. So kind of just comes up past his finger. I didn't think I was going to fit them in there. And the fingers are kind of on the ball on that side. It's kind of pointy here, and then oh, my hand is cramping. Oh man, that's sorry. And then so I'll just darken this line up, and then I think you have those extra lines that American footballs have coming around here. Tricky enough to draw the hands. Now the hands always get me. Right, and then there's fingers like here, just coming around back of his hand, sort of grabbing the under the top of the ball from around the other side. All right. Whew. I was tensing super hard on that part because it's like a lot. There's a lot in there. It's not easy. Lacy, Kyren Lacy, RIP. Thanks for the support on Patreon, Rana. See you next one.